National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Naperville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Woodridge around 11:10 p.m. Lockport, Palmer Glen, Westmont, Darien, Willowbrook, and Clarendon Hills around 11:15 p.m. Hinsdale, Lamont, Woodridge, Western Springs, Countryside, Willow Springs, and Indian Head Park around 11:20 p.m. Orland Park, Palos Hills, Justice, Summit, Bridgeview, Hickory Hills, Palos Heights, Worth, and Hodgkins around 11:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Midway Airport, Burbank, Oak Forest, Alsip, Ashburn, Midlothian, Chicago Ridge, Crestwood, Chicago Lawn, and Evergreen Park. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, SeatGeek Stadium, Benedictine University, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Moraine Valley Community College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 263 and 282. Interstate 80 between mile markers 144 and 150. Interstate 355 between mile markers 5 and 18. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the tornado warning for